ओ यद विद्या विलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहम् शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। वेदांत परिभाषा पेज नंबर 158। पूर्व पक्षी said, why do you need anupalabdhi as pramanam? We can use pratyaksha as pramanam because there is indriya and abhava sannikarsha. Siddhanti is answering. Siddhanti said, this is not possible. How? So he gave three vikalpas. Kincha, kim abhavasya visheshanata matram sannikarshaha? One. Abhava and indriya sannikarsha, is it of the nature of visheshanata? One. Or second, indriya sannikrishta adhikarana visheshanata? Two. Indriya sannikrishta is adhikarana, and that becomes the visheshana. विशेषणता. और किंवा यत्र अधिकरणे प्रतियोगी सत्वम अनुपलब्धि विरोधी स्यात् तद विशेषणता. अधिकरणे प्रतियोगी सत्वम in the अधिकरण भूतल, प्रतियोगी is घट, घट सत्वम which is अनुपलब्धि विरोधी means योग्य अनुपलब्धि. What is the definition of yogyata?
तर्कित प्रतियोगित्व प्रसंजित प्रतियोगित्व.
तर्कित प्रतियोगी प्रसंजित
प्रतियोगित्व प्रसंजित प्रतियोगित्व.
So this is yogya anupalabdhi. So here he is saying yatra adhikarane pratyogi sattvam anupalabdhi virodhi. Anupalabdhi virodhi means pratyogi sattvam, and which is present there as yogya. Tad visheshanata. Three vikalpas Siddhanti did. Na adhyah. Means Siddhanti has virod with visheshanata only. Purvapakshi saying indriya and abhava sannikarsha will happen. Siddhanti is saying this sanyukta visheshanata that Purvapakshi said earlier, that visheshanata part itself is objectionable. Whatever you are saying visheshanata, it is not going to happen. Na adyah bhityadi vyavahita bhutaladi vritti ghatadi abhave. If bhitti vyavadhana is there and on the other side bhutaladi vritti ghatadi abhava, means on bhutala there is ghata bhava. If you say it is visheshanata matra, then Visheshanata Matra is there also. You don't need Indriya Sannikarsha. That first Vikalpa is only Visheshanata Matra. Visheshana Matratva is Vidyamana there. Then that Ghata Bhava on the Bhutala obstructed by a wall also you should be able to know. This is first one. But that we cannot know. So Visheshanata is there. But this Ghata Bhava Jnanam is not taking place. So Purvapakshi says because there is no Sannikarsha with Indriya of that Adhikarana. So he says Na Dvitiyaha. Paramate Karna Valayavachinna Nabhasa Eva Shrotrendriyatvat. Paramata means Nayayika Mata. According to Nyaya, what is Shrotrendriya? What is Shrotrendriya according to Nyaya Mata?
शब्दग्राह्यत्वे सति इन्द्रियग्राहकत्वम्
Indriyagrahakatvam Shrotrendriyatvam.
इन्द्रियत्वम्
But they say Shrotrendriya is Karna Shashkuli Avachinna Akasha. Karna Shashkuli means this area where this shape is there. This is called Karna Shashkuli. That Akasha is what they call Shrotrendriya. This we have not seen anywhere. Karna Shashkuli Avachinna Akasha.
We have seen this Swami.
We have seen somewhere. Okay. So he says that here. Karna Valaya. Valaya means Shashkuli. Karna Valaya Avachinna Nabhasa means Akashasya. Eva Shrotrendriyatvat. That alone is Shrotrendriya. Means Shrotrendriya is not something else. It is only this Akasha. But conditioned Akash. Tasyeva Swagrahya Shabda Abhava Adhikaranatvat. And where is Shabda Abhava? A Shabda Abhava is in Shrotrendriya. So Shrotrendriya will become Adhikarana. Tasyeva Swagrahya Shabda Abhava. Swa Shrotrendriya. Shrotrendriya Grahya is Shabda. And Shrotrendriya Grahya is Shabda Abhava also. So Swagrahya Shabda Abhava Adhikaranatvat. That is the Adhikaranam. Shrotrendriya is the Adhikaranam for Shabda Abhava also. So Shrotrendriya and Shabda Abhava will become one. Adhikarana and Abhava of Shabda, they both are same now in this case. Adhikaranatvat Svena Swasya Asannikarshat. Svena Swasya Asannikarshat. Svena Shrotrendriyana. Swasya Sannikarsha will not happen. In your case, you are saying there is Sannikarsha between Adhikarana, the Indriya and the Abhava. Here Indriya is Shrotrendriya. And that itself is the Shabda Bhava Adhikarana. So Swasya Svena Sannikarsha is not possible. Asannikarshat. Adhikarana Indriya Sannikarsha Abhavena Shabda Abhavasya Apratyakshatva Prasangat. Adhikarana is Shrotrendriya. Shrotrendriya Sannikarsha Abhavena, because there is Shabda Abhava. When there is Shabda Abhava in Shrotrendriya, that Adhikarana and Indriya Sannikarsha, and according to Purvapaksha, the Indriya Sannikarsha happens with the Abhava also. Indriya is Akasha, Shrotrendriya, and Shabda Abhava, both of them will be the same. तस्यैव स्वग्राह्य शब्द अभाव अधिकरणत्वात्. Shrotrendriya is स्वग्राह्य शब्द अभाव अधिकरण. So then swena swasya asannikarshat, indriya and abhav adhikarana sannikarsha will not happen. And tad vishishta visheshanata that you are saying, indriya sannikrishta adhikarana visheshanata, indriya sannikrishta adhikarana itself will not happen, because indriya means shrotra indriya and adhikarana also is shrotra indriya. So shabda abhavasya apratyakshатва. So according to you, Shabda Bhava Pratyaksha should take place, but Shabda Bhava Pratyakshatva will not happen. Second Vikalpa is clear?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swamiji.
Now Tritiya. Tritiya is Yatra Adhikarane Pratyogi Sattvam Anupalabdhi Virodhi Syat Tad Visheshanata. So it should be Yogya, that Pratyogi should be Yogya, unlike Pishacha. तृतीय अपि अनुपलब्धि विरोधित्वम उपलभ्यमानत्वम. सो अनुपलब्धि विरोधी इज उपलभ्यमानत्वम. अनुपलब्धि विरोधी in the vikalpa it is, he has said, अनुपलब्धि विरोधी. अधिकरणे प्रत्योगी सत्वम अनुपलब्धि विरोधी स्यात्. अनुपलब्धि विरोधी means उपलभ्यमानत्वम. This उपलभ्यमानत्वम तस्य किम यदा कदाचित भावो अपेक्षितः उत नियमेन. Siddhanti basically wants to refute Purvapakshi's idea that abhava can be known through pratyaksha. Siddhanti says adhikarana can be known through pratyaksha, but not abhava. So he is putting a twist in this vikalpa. Is this bhava yada kadachit apekshitah or niyamena apekshitah? Yada kadachit apekshitah means sometimes it is there, sometimes that bhava is not there, or all the time it is there, niyamena. Adye, if it is yada kadachit apekshitah, then vyavahite api abhava adhikarane kadachit upalambha sambhavat. Then even if the adhikarana has vyavadhana, kadachit upalabdha, kadachit anupalabdha, still if there is vyavadhana with the abhava adhikarana, like a wall, etc., vyavahite api abhava adhikarane kadachit upalambha sambhavat. Upalambha means jnanam. Upalambha, graha, all these words also mean jnanam. Jnanam would have been possible of that abhava vastu, even with vyavadhana. Why? Because only sometimes if it is there, that is enough. Pratyoginas tad vyavadhana samaye api abhava pratyakshah syat. Then pratyoginah tad vyavadhana samaye api. Pratyogi means ghata. Ghata, when there is abhava, vyavadhana samaye api abhava pratyaksha syat. Abhava would become pratyaksha of that ghata in the adhikarana. Because you are saying it is that upalabhyamanatvam is yada kadachit bhavo apekshitah. So sometimes if it is there, that is enough. Or na dvitiyah. Niyamena. It has to be there all the time. श्रोत्रदेशे भूतलादौ वा शब्दस्य घटादेर्वा सत्त्वे अपि सामग्री अभावादिना अनुपलम्भ संभवेन नियमेन तदुपलम्भा योगात्. So you read this way. श्रोत्रदेशे शब्दस्य सत्त्वे अपि. In श्रोत्रदेश karna shabda, even if it is there, samagri abhavat, because there is not enough samagri for the karya called jnanam to take place. Therefore, anupalambha is possible. Anupalambha sambhavena niyamena tad upalambha ayogat. Niyamena tad upalambha is not there. तत्र तद अभावस्य अप्रत्यक्षतापत्तेः इति अत्र विस्तरः.
अन्यत्र
इति. अच्छा, अन्यत्र इज देयर पार्ट. ओके. प्रत्यक्षतापत्तेरिति अन्यत्र विस्तरः. So Shrotradesh Shabdasya Sattve api. In Shrotradesh, even if Shabda is there, but Samagri Abhavat. Samagri means, let's say, Atma Mana Sanyoga is not there. Shabda is there, my mind is somewhere. So then, Shabdasya Sattve api. In Shrotradesh, Shabda is there, but Samagri is not there. Or that sound is not audible. Very low decibels is there. Samagri abhavadina anupalamba sambhava. So then anupalabdhi is there. Anupalamba sambhavena niyamena tad upalamba ayogat. Niyamit rupena upalamba will not be there. Tatra tad abhavasya apratyaksata apattehe. So even if there is abhava, every time that jnanam will take place is not true. Because something else could be missing. If you say for abhava, pratyaksha is the karana. Pratyaksha jnanam requires other things also. So that's why he says, samagri abhavat, abhavadina anupalamba sambhavena. Samagri abhavat, there is anupalamba. Niyamena tad upalamba ayogat. So that niyamena upalamba of abhava will not happen. Tatra tad abhavasya apratyaksata pate. Therefore, that abhav pratyakshata will not happen. In the same way, bhutaladav ghatadehe. Second sentence you have to read in this way. Shrotradeshe shabdasya va bhutaladav ghatadehe sattve api. In bhutala, even if ghata is there, samagri abhavadina anupalamba sambhavena. Because samagri is not there, you think there is ghata abhava. Niyamena tad upalamba ayogat. So niyamit rupena upalamba ayogat. हिंदी हिंदी okay, this is complete. They have given some part. So what the conclusion is that if you say यदा कदाचित अभाव is अपेक्षितः or अनुपलब्धि, यदा कदाचित भाव is अपेक्षितः, sometimes that bhava upalabhyamanatvam is there, then if there is vyavadhana also, jnanam should take place of the abhava. Or if you say niyamena, then upalambha ayoga tatra abhavasya apratyakshatapatti, that abhava will not become pratyaksha. So either way, Vistar he has given elsewhere, but here only to do khandanam of this point of Purvapaksha. And with this, Siddhanti has established that there are 6 pramanas and Anupalabdhi is a pramana. Now there is a next topic, Swataha Pramanyavada. So it begins with Evam, and on that there is Tippani number 1, which is a big Tippani, but we will have to see that. See, Vedanta Naye, Pratyakshadini Pramanani Shat. In Vedanta Siddhanta, Naya means Siddhanta, Vedanta Naye, Pratyakshadini Pramanani Shat. There are 6 Pratyaksha Pramana, Pratyakshadi Pramanani. Taishcha Shodha Prama Janyate. By that, 6 types of Prama takes place. What are the 6 Pramas?
शाब्दमिति अनुमिति उपमिति अनुपलब्धि
प्रत्यक्ष अनुमिति उपमिति शाब्द अनुपलब्धि अर्थापत्ति and अनुपलब्धि. सोढ़ा प्रमा जन्यते जन्यन्ते जाताश्चताः प्रमा यथार्था अयथार्था वा इति प्रामाण्य ग्राहकेषु सन्ति विप्रतिपत्तयः. Once the prama has taken place, means jnanam. Is it yathartha or ayathartha? Yathartha ayathartha va iti pramanya grahakeshu santi vipratipattayah. Pramanya grahaka means the person, pramata. Among pramatas, there is vipratipatti. Whether the knowledge is contradicted or non-contradicted. Yathartha or ayathartha. So if I see Rajju, is it really Rajju or not? Rajju Jnanam takes place, but it is Yathartha or Ayathartha, that clarity may not be there. Tathahi. Pramatvam na swato swa, not sya, swato grahyam samshayanupapattitaha. Pramatvam na swato grahyam. This is one part of Nyaya Siddhant Muktavali. Pramatvam na swato grahyam samshayanupapattitaha, because of non-possibility of samshaya. If pramatvam is swatograhyam, is swata pramana, then samshaya would not happen. But samshaya does happen. Sthanurva purushova. So you are seeing something, you think it is sthanu, but samshaya is there. That means it is not swata pramana. Purvapakshi is saying this. Because if it was swata pramana, samshaya would not take place. Samshayasya anupapatti syat, anupapattitaha. But anupapatti is not there. Upapatti is there. Therefore, pramatvam na swato grahyam. Iti. संशय अनुपपत्ति हेतुना प्रामाण्य परतस्त्ववादिनो नैयायिका अनुमानेन प्रामाण्यम प्रति जानन्ति. So now samshaya anupapatti hetu. Samshaya anupapatti is the hetu. By that they have understood that the pramanyam is paratah. Otherwise samshaya would not happen. Like you see water in mirage from far and then you have doubt. Is it really water or not? प्रामाण्य परतस्त्ववादिनो नैयायिका अनुमानेन प्रामाण्यम प्रति जानन्ति. Through anumana they do pramanya pratignya. How? Yatha. Yatha. If it looks yaya, change it. Idam jnanam prama संवादित प्रवृत्ति जनकत्वात् व्यतिरेकेण अप्रमावत् इति. This jnanam is prama. Why? Because it is samvadi pravrutti janaka. Like I see water in mirage from far. Then I don't know whether it is water or not. And I go closer. It looks like water. But because they don't have swata pramanyam, after pratyaksha jnanam, they will do anumanam. This anumanam will be like this. Idam jnanam prama. This udaka jnanam is prama. Why? Samvadi pravrutti janakatvat. Samvadi pravrutti means another pramanam approves. Another pramana pravrutti happens because of this jnana. So like I drink that water. When I drink that water, thirst is quenched. So this is samvadi pravrutti. Samvadi pravrutti janakatvat. Vyatirekena apramavat. If it is aprama, it would not be samvadi pravrutti janaka. Wherever it is samvadi pravrutti janakatvam, it is pramatvam. Yatra yatra samvadi pravrutti janakatvam, tatra tatra pramatvam. So if I see water and I drink water, so now second pramana has said, yes, this is water, rasa. Rasanendriya has approved now. So in this way, they will do some anumanam. And then they will say, yes, this first pramana was yathartha. Ghatoyam iti jnananantaram ghatamaham janami iti anuvyavasayasya ghatagyananishta pramanya vishayakataya. First is ghatoyam, this jnanam. तद अनंतरम घटम अहम जानामि, this type of anuvyavasaya jnanam takes place. Ghatoyam is vyavasaya jnanam. Ghatam aham janami is anuvyavasaya jnanam. Anuvyavasayasya घट ज्ञान निष्ठ प्रामाण्य विषयकतया. So that anuvyavasaya jnanam, घट ज्ञान निष्ठ प्रामाण्य, because anuvyavasaya will approve the pramanya of vyavasaya. घट ज्ञान निष्ठ प्रामाण्य विषय, because anuvyavasaya jnana's vishaya will be vyavasaya jnanam and aham. So now earlier it was ayam ghataha, now it is aham also. Aham ayam ghatam or idam ghatam janami, in this way. Ayam ghatam janami, not idam. Ayam ghatam janami. घटनिष्ठ घट ज्ञाननिष्ठ प्रामाण्य विषयकतया स्वविषयक अनुव्यवसाय सामग्र्या एव उक्त ज्ञानस्य प्रामाण्य प्रख्य प्रख्यापिका इति केचित्. Is this twice prakhya prakhyapika or once prakhyapika? We don't have another reading for this. Because this is tippani. स्व विषयक अनुव्यवसाय सामग्र्या एव घट विषयक अनुव्यवसाय सामग्री, थ्रू दैट अनुव्यवसाय सामग्री उक्त ज्ञानस्य प्रामाण्य प्रख्यापिका. अनुव्यवसाय सामग्री सामग्री एव नॉट सामग्र्या, सामग्री एव प्रख्यापिका ऑफ प्रामाण्यम. सो अनुव्यवसाय ज्ञान सामग्री will be व्यवसाय ज्ञानम and the aham. And ghata also. Ghata, aham and anuvyavasaya jnanam. Everything is illumined and vyavasaya jnanam is illumined in anuvyavasaya. All three. So that is pramanya prakhyapika iti kechit. Kechit means this nayayika. They only have this vyavasaya anuvyavasaya thing. Next is another samvidaha swaprakashatvena संविज्जनक सामग्री एव संविनिष्ठ प्रामाण्य ग्राहिका इति गुरवः. गुरवः के प्रभाकरः. संविदः स्वप्रकाशत्वेन. Okay, in Prabhakar Mata, what is Swaprakash? In Prabhakar Mata, Jnanam is Swaprakash. Vritti Jnanam, what we call, that Jnanam, they say, is Swaprakash. संविदः स्वप्रकाशत्वेन संविद जनक सामग्री एव. So samvid janaka, because if you say samvid as atma, their atma is not swaprakasha, their atma is jnana adhikarana, like nayayika's atma. And this vritti jnanam is utpannam and vinashtam, but swaprakasham. So samvidaha swaprakashatvena samvid janaka samagri, that vritti jnana which is swaprakasha, that is called samvid in their darshan. That janaka samagri itself is samvinishta pramanya grahika will also give the pramanya of that samvit. So in this part we agree with them. But that vritti jnanam is swaprakasha and atma is jada, that we don't agree. We say atma is swaprakasha, vritti jnana gets prakasha from that atma. So that part is different. But the jnana janaka samagri is ज्ञान निष्ठ प्रामाण्य सामग्री और प्रामाण्य ग्राहिका सामग्री, दैट पार्ट वी अग्री. संविन जनक सामग्री एवं संविन निष्ठ प्रामाण्य ग्राहिका इति गुरवः. तत्ज्ञान जन्य ज्ञातता लिंगक अनुमिति सामग्री तज्ज्ञान निष्ठ प्रामाण्य निश्चयिका. तत्ज्ञान जन्य ज्ञातता लिंग, ज्ञातता लिंग, actually ज्ञातता लिंग mostly it is Bhatta, but Prabhakara also might have this Jnatata Linga. Jnatata Linga means, you remember this I have explained earlier, when the Ghata Jnanam takes place, Ghato Maya Jnatam, this is the Vritti, this is the form of Jnanam. Now I know Ghata. Means earlier I did not know Ghata. Ghato na Jnatam Maya, this was earlier. Then Jnanam, then Ghato Jnatam Maya. This is the sequence. So when Ghata was Ajnata, what changed so that now you are able to say Ghato Maya Jnataha? So they say there is a new thing called Jnatata that has come in that Prameya Vishaya. Jnatata is the linga. By that linga, I can say now I know. Earlier I did not know, now I know. Through this Jnatata linga. Tattajanya Jnatata lingaka anumiti samagri tad jnananishta pramanya nishchayika. So now I can have the nishchaya, my jnanam has pramanyam based on the Jnatata linga. Ghato jnata इति प्रतीति सिद्धो घट समवेत उक्त ज्ञान जन्य प्राकट्य अपर पर्याय पदार्थ विशेषो ज्ञातता इति भाट्टा. This is their definition. So this ज्ञातता part is mostly Bhatta. What is their idea of ज्ञातता? घटो ज्ञात इति प्रतीति सिद्धः. This प्रतीति सिद्ध घट समवेत उक्त ज्ञान जन्य. घट समवेत means there it will stay with samvaya sambandha, this jnatata. And that itself is jnana janya prakatya apara paryaya. Apara means another. The paryayavachi shabda. It's an synonym for prakatya. But it is jnanajanya prakatya. Jnanajanya prakatya apare paryaya padartha vishesha, which is according to them is another padartha called jnatata, which will stay in that ghata with samvaya sambandha. Earlier it was not there, now it has arrived. So prakatya means revelation. Ghata is revealed now. And it is ghato jnata iti pratiti siddha. It will come because of ghata jnata, this pratiti. This is Bhatta understanding of how pramanya takes place. See, they are all saying about the pramanyam. Nayayika, they say paratah pramanyam. anuvyavasaya jnanam will tell me whether the previous jnanam was pramana or not. In that we can have a question. They will say anuvyavasaya jnanam is swaprakasha. Something has to have prakasha. Or swata pramanam they will have. Otherwise it will just go on. For first pramana you need second, but for second you need third. Like that there will be anavastha. According to Prabhakara, the samvid is swaprakasha, and that will become the indicator that samvid janaka samagri will also establish samvid nishtha pramanyam. Then Bhatta have this jnatata. Anumitistu, they will do anumanam there. Iyam jnatata घटत्ववती घटत्व प्रकारक ज्ञानजन्य घटत्ववती घटत्व प्रकारक ज्ञाततात्वात् इति एव प्रकारिका इति. So this jnatata is घटत्ववती घटत्व प्रकारक ज्ञानजन्य. This jnatata is of this type. घटत्ववती घटत्व प्रकारक ज्ञानजन्य. घटत्ववती घटत्व प्रकारक ज्ञाततात्वात्. So therefore it is yathartha. Where there is ghatatva, there ghatatva prakaraka jnana takes place. This is yathartha jnanam, this is prama. So now in that jnanam there is pramanyam. This is how they say. Now siddhanti. Sarvesham mata nirasa purvakam swasiddhantam darshayati. Evam ityadina. So that evam in the moolam, that pratika is given here. All the mata nirasa siddhanti does. Pramananam. Now you see that vakya, moolam in the previous page. Evam uktanam pramananam pramanyam swata eva utpadyate jnayate cha. Pramananam pramanyam, it is said. So tika, he says pramananam. Pramananam means how you should understand. Pramanam. Pramiyate tad pramanam iti. E, it is E. Pramiyate tad pramanam iti. Bhava pratyantatvat. It is bhava prayoga. Bhava pratyantatvat. Pramanam iti ityartha. Ityartha. Pramiyate tat pramanam. Yat pramiyate tat pramanam. Pramanasya bhavaha pramanyam. Tatha cha moolasthasya pramananam. So in the moolam it is given evam pramananam. Pramananam ityasya pramanam iti. When you say pramiyate iti pramanam, then pramanam means prama. Because what is pramiyate is prama. If you want to say pramanam, actually you have to use karana vyutpatti, not bhava. Then you will have to say pramiyate anaya iti pramanam. Then it will become pramanam. Pramiyate iti pramanam, when you say, then what is the meaning of pramanam? Prama. Pramiyate iti pramanam. In bhava, if you do, it is prama. Pramiyate iti pramanam. In karana, when you do, it will become pramiyate anaya. Then it will be pramanam. iti. So pramananam, what will be the meaning of pramananam?
Pramanam.
Pramanam. प्रामाण्यम इत्यस्य प्रमात्वम इति अर्थो ज्ञेयो. प्रामाण्यम मीन्स प्रमात्वम. प्रामाण्यम इति अस्य प्रमात्वम इति अर्थो ज्ञेयो. ज्ञेयो नहीं, ज्ञेयो. Up to this is the topic. Then next two lines, they are already given in the Moolam, which he has just given here, which we will see in the next session. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.